Today is Friday, March 31st. This is the 1969 Cadillac Fleetwood vacuum assist brake booster. This is for my friend Tom in Alabama. This will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Okay, this is the designated variant Type C, 3.5-inch square mounting and the 3.5-inch spacing of the thread bolts for the master cylinder, as well as the push rod center location to the face. So this is consistent with the 1969 original vintage Fleetwood model for Cadillac, not to be confused with the DeVille and not to be confused with the Eldorado, which are entirely different brake boosters. Okay, so this is the 1969 Cadillac Fleetwood, as I designate by the black encasement. This is Georgia in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 through 1970, which is my heart of the range for Cadillac. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, and through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, such as these vacuum assist brake boosters used all the way through 1975, and then starting in 1976 with the Bendix Hydro Booster, which I also provide. Today's Friday, March 31st. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.